Topic is sum of n terms of an AP. Exercise is 5.3. Yes, we have already done question number 1, 2 and 3 of exercise 5.3. Now, let us take question number 4. How many terms of an AP 9, 7, 25 and so on must be taken to give a sum of 636. So, you see it, A is 9, D is 17 minus 9, that is 8, and Sn is 636. Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Putting the values, Sn is 636, n upon 2, a is 9, n minus 1, d is 8. N upon 2, 18 plus 8n minus 8, 636. 636 is equal to n upon 2, 18 minus 10, that is 18 minus 8 is 10 plus 8n, n upon 2, 2 common, 5 plus 4n, that is 636. 2 and 2 cancel, 5n plus 4n square, or 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. Now, 4 into minus 636, 4 6 are 24, 4 3 are 12 or 2 14, 4 6 are 24 or 25. Factor of 2, 5, 4, 4 with minus sign whose sum is 5. So, 2, 5, 4, 4. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 7 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 6 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 6 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 8 ja, 159, then 3 ja. This is 48 and this is 53. Minus 48 plus 53 will be the factors whose that sum will be 5. 4n square plus 53n minus 48n minus 636 is equal to 0. Now, make it pair and take the common. N is common, 4n plus 53. Here both are multiple of 12. 12 is common, 12 4 ja, minus common, so it become plus, 12 5 ja, 12 3 ja, 4n plus 53 is common, n minus 12. So, n is equal to minus 53 upon 4, which does not exist because it is negative value and numbers cannot be negative, and n is equal to 12. This is the answer. Let us take ninth question. Ninth question is given that sum of first 7 term of an AP is 49. That means S7 is equal to 49 and sum of that of 17 terms is 289. S18 is 289. Find the sum of n terms of an AP. So Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is given to you 49, n is 7, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 49, 7 upon 2, 2a plus 6d. 7 upon 2, 2 common, a plus 3d, 2 and 2 cancel. 49 upon 7 is equal to a plus 3d or a plus 3d is equal to 7. This is the first equation. In second equation, same formula we will use it. 289 is equal to 17 upon 2, n is 17, Sn is 289. 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d. 289, 17 upon 2, 2a plus 16d. 17 upon 2, 2 common, a plus 8d. That is 289. 289 upon 17 is equal to 8a plus 8d. 17, 17 so a plus 8d is equal to 17. This is the equation second. Now solve equation 1 and 2 by elimination method. A plus 3d is equal to 7 is equal to 17. Subtract, change the sign, this cancel it. Minus 5d is equal to minus 10 and d is equal to 10 upon 5, that is 2. Putting the value of d in equation first. Putting the value of d is equal to 2 in equation 1. So a plus 3d is equal to 7. A plus 3 into 2 is equal to 7. Value of is 2. A plus 6 is equal to 7. A is equal to 7 minus. Now find out the sum of terms. Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is then 2a is 1, n minus 1, d is 2. N upon 2, 2 plus 2n minus 2, n upon 2 into 2n. 2 and 2 cancel, that is n squares. Therefore, sum of n terms of an AP is n square. Let us take 10th question. Second part. नहीं, 10th question, second part. An is equal to 9 minus 3n. Show that it is in AP. So A 9 minus 3 into 1, 9 minus 3, that is 6. 9 minus 5n, it is given 5n. 9 minus 5, that is 4, n is 1, n is 2, a 9 minus 5 into 2, 9 minus 10, that is minus 1, n equal to a 3, 9 minus 5 into 3, 9 minus 15, minus 6. So a2 minus a1, that is 4 minus minus 1, A2 minus 7 minus 1 minus 4, that is minus 5, A3 minus A2 minus 6 minus 1 minus 6 plus 1, that is minus 5. So common difference is same. So 4 minus 1 minus 6 is in A2. Now find the sum of first 15 term as 15. So Sn equal to n upon 2 plus n minus 1 into d, n upon 2 is 4, n minus 1, that is 15 minus 1, here is also 15 because we have to calculate sum of the first 15 term. So it will be 15 minus 1, d is minus 5. So 15 upon 2, 8 plus 14 into minus 5, 15 upon 2, 8 minus 70, 15 upon 2 into minus 62, 2 cancel with